ganyan rin lang. Hindi bali na lang prinsesa.
Ganito, mag-sorry ka sa ginawa mo.
Hihingi ako ng sorry? Bakit naman magsasorry ang prinsesa sa tulad niya?
Pag may kasalanan, dapat mag-sorry sa kahit sino. Sige na, mag-sorry ka na ngayon.
Wag na po, hindi kailangan gawin yun.
Who gon' time first? You your life, you hard to see. You can't get by my motherfucker. You can't see you learn like you come down. Can't dance like that. Now watch your dance. You can't do it like I did. You're hot and I got your quick.